Hi, this is Karen Smith at DSE in the Chief booth, ready to talk to you about our new Impact series of on-wall kiosks. What we're showing today is our portrait version. It's a depth-adjustable exterior frame that can go from 3 to 5 inches to accommodate a range of panel depths. In order to stay in the 4-inch range for ADA compliance, you can have a maximum panel depth of 2.75 inches. It still leaves you with an inch of on-wall storage for your components behind that. If you need to push everything out further for bigger displays and components in an area where ADA is not relevant, you have that ability to do so. The swing frame opens to provide you complete access to the display for components, cabling, maintenance. You're able to pick your side for the hinges so it's reversible, gives you access to get around any sort of obstructions that may be in the way. With our partnership with Middle Atlantic, we have integrated their lever lock system for on-wall component storage. You also always have the option to integrate Chief's pack boxes for more in-wall component storage. Passive ventilation utilizing the louvers and the wall reveal that we've built in. This also serves to keep the frame plumb and flat, because we all know walls are never flat. So by keeping the frame just ever so slightly off the back of the wall, we make sure that nothing warps if the wall isn't flat. Once you've got everything locked in there, you can secure with tamper-proof security hardware to protect your investment. If you want more information on this product, please visit us online at milestone.com.